I don't know that we can believe we've made 10 years in this building. Time seems to have gone so incredibly fast. So this building is important because it's made a home for the Faculty of Architecture, Building and Planning. It was a major new build in the centre of campus. There have been very few large buildings built in this corner of the campus for decades. And it is a complete design, something that is thought about from the very basement through to the top floors as to how it can be a building that students can learn from.
The Faculty of Architecture, Building and Planning is now one of the largest in the country. The Glyn Davis Building, after 10 years, has really solidified a sense of identity for us as a faculty. It shows you what a new building can do for any organisation, but particularly for a faculty associated with architecture and construction. Here was a world-class building designed by world-class architects, and we were producing world-class graduates.
This building, when it was commissioned, needed to be a leading example of the best in architectural design, but all the things that follow on from it, construction, sustainability, to lead the field. It was really important that it achieved that, and it did. We're very excited of its sustainability aspects and the fact that it used much less energy and it was star rated. It won a whole series of awards internationally when it was completed. And it rather set the standard for the university as to what its buildings need to be for its estate. And the building makes an extraordinary place to study the disciplines that we have in the built environment. The students love being in here. They find it inspiring, but also a place in which they can collaborate. And so we get this energy buzz that runs through the building every day that we all love. At any moment, there might be a crit going on in a space, somebody giving a talk, students who are talking back and forth about their work, and it's exciting. It has this energy that goes throughout the day. At 9 o'clock at night, it's still buzzing, still going. It'll go like that all weekend too. It's a place in which students want to come and work.
In the first 10 years of its life, the building has done many, many things. It's really instilled and cemented the idea of exhibition culture for our faculty, but also for the university more generally. Twice a year, we have what's called MSDX, and the whole atrium becomes a multi-storey exhibition space. And it's just terrific, and students love that. The opening of an exhibition is a party, a celebration of a whole semester or even a whole year's work. And the building just provides a great backdrop for all of that. We find our graduates returning again and again. They come to end-of-year exhibitions. They come after 10, 20, 40 years to return to the building because what they enjoyed about studying here was the camaraderie, the intense studio culture, the mad things that we did, studying all night. It's about coming together and celebrating something to do with the built environment.
Because it's a total design, we've thought very carefully about how we preserve the design intent of the building. Personally, I hope that the Glyn Davis Building stays as a piece of design that's complete. We look after it as though it is a piece of heritage to ensure that we have the jewel that it is preserved for a long time to come.